So hello guys, in this video I will show you CRM option. Like in the CRM is a button name. So when you click on this, you can check the profile, user profile. You can add anything else like their profile, business profile name, and all the things like AI bot. I will show you all the features in next videos, and transfer to agent features. You can edit their profile and add a new personal details or business details. Okay, in the second option is tab. So I will already show you in the tab features video, so you can check it out. The third feature is notes. If you do meetings or something like that, or you have a call, so you can carry a note for this user. Okay, so you can remember, like topic name is for Tiger CRM. Okay, and he is interested. Okay, so I will save this. Here is the regenerate option. When I click on this AI will regenerate here. He has interest. Okay, and I will click on save button. So this chat note is saved on this. Okay, CRM. The next feature is reminder. So you can set a reminder for this person. Okay, so you go to here and add a reminder and choose a date and time. Like right now it's 5:52, so I will set a reminder for 5:54 p.m. Okay, and follow up with Mr. Ram. Here is the details you can set, and here is the interval, like how many times the reminder so you pop up. Okay, so I will click on save button. So it's a 5:34 and the reminder is 5:54. Okay, so right now the repeat is none and the status is pending. When the 5:54 is showing me a pop-up for a reminder, so let's wait. So another feature is appointment. So here is the when you click on the add appointment, then here is the form for appointment feature. So you can set up an appointment. Okay, so first of thing is a template setting. So you can add a template for appointments. You can create a template for appointments. Okay, so right now I will create a template. When I click on the new template, I open this form. So I will add this template name like a test. When I click on the, so it's a reminder form and it's a audio, like reminder with Ram something or all the things. I will click on the stop button, so the reminder is stop, and I will also show you the reminder is stop status. Okay, so I go to reminder and here is the due, because I stop this right now. Okay, so I go to appointment and click on the again setting option and create a template like a test. And when here is the Google Meet link, so you can click on the generate link button. So this will redirect to a new meeting link. Okay, so you can copy this and paste it here in the form, and here is the template name. So you can change this template also, like hello to hi, and you can choose a variable. Like I have already here is a 4 variables given, like you can add a name, date, time, and link also. So what the link you will paste here, so the message will send with this link. Okay, so you can save this template also like a test name. So you not need to add appointments again and again. So when I go to here and choose a template, so this all the form fill with details with successfully. Okay, so my appointment is 6:34. So I will choose change the date right now. It's a 5 and 58. Okay, 59, 50. Okay, 5:57 is perfect. Okay, and I will save this template. Okay, if I want to send a message, reminder message, or if I want to send a reminder message right now, so I will also click on this and save and send. So okay, this said a title, so I will add a title like a test appointment, appointment. Okay, so I save and send. So the message is sent successfully to this user. So I go to here like that. Here is the message is sent successfully, and also appointment is scheduled successfully. So the appointment time is 5:54. It's a 5:56 right now, and the appointment time is 5:57. Okay. And another feature is income. So you can, first thing, you can choose your currency. Like in India I will choose the Indian rupees. If you are a US client, so you can choose a US dollar or something, Australian dollar or something like that. Or if you are from the Brazil or Spanish, so you can choose a BRL also. Okay, it's a Brazilian reals. Okay. And I will add I will add or income. I will add income and expense. So I will click on this add button. So here is the amount and the date, category. So I will create a form. So right now I have received 5,000 riyals BRL. Okay, and the date is today. So it's a meeting option. So if I click on the join meeting, so it's redirected to meeting link, or it's showing me a schedule, because right now I'm only join. When I do it's a complete, then the status is changed. Okay. So I go to add income. I will also change the currency. I go to here and choose a 5,000 BRL, and today's date, and I will using bank transfer, or I receive the payment for a salesperson for sale. Our description is sell Tiger CRM or Lion CRM, anything else. Okay, and Lion CRM white label. Okay, here is my invoice voice, and here is the status. If this person give me monthly or like that, so I will use this recurring transactions like monthly or daily or weekly, yearly, like that. So right now I go to add income. So this show me a total income for this with this person, or I also set a filter here like all status or something like that. Here is the add expense like that. So if I add like 3,000 BRL today, I purchase some software from anyone else or anything, I add this. So this show me 3,000 BRL. Okay, so it's a income and it's a expense, so you can all the check it out. So this feature income, appointment and reminder is showing. Here is a calendar option, nearby, bulk message. So when you click on this, you can check it out the all reminders here and all appointments here by the date. Like in the 24 no reminder and the appointments, and 25 here is a one reminder and one appointment. So you can check it out. The reminder is stopped and the appointment is scheduled. Okay, it's a 5:56, but if I click on this, so it's another time go to my this meeting link. Okay, if I want to remove, I will also delete this appointment. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me. Thank you.